Yo, good morning guys, welcome to today's vlog and happy Halloween. Well, it's not really Halloween yet, is it? But happy nearly Halloween, happy Halloween in advance. We're going to go pumpkin picking today at a local place not too far away called Cato's Farm. In the summer we went there for fruit picking and we got loads of stuff for a really good price, so we're going to head back there and hopefully grab ourselves a big pumpkin for a recipe later. You'll have guessed by now from the video title what we're making, so let's go get a pumpkin and let's make this thing. Alright, enough messing about, let's go get some pumpkins. Right, so I hope the wind's not too bad and you can hear me alright, but there's 80,000 pumpkins apparently in this field alone. That's an incredible amount of pumpkins. Which one to choose now? That's the big question. Alright, pumpkin bought. That was a lot of fun, and now we're going to go back home, make the recipe. I'll see you there. So this is the 3 kilo pumpkin that we got from the farm. I'll only need half of this and I can save the other half for another recipe. So to begin with, I need to separate the flesh from the skin. Now this is quite tough, so you need a serrated knife or a sharp knife that will do the job. Once the skin is separated from the flesh, you just need to dice the flesh up into rough chunks. Then place the diced pumpkin into a pan and boil for around 15 to 20 minutes until soft. The pumpkin's ready as soon as you can put the point of a knife through it with no resistance. Then blend to a fine puree. So once you have a nice smooth puree, add in the following ingredients. Remember, all the quantities and measurements can be found in the link in the description box below. So to save time, I've got some pre-made sweet pastry cases. You can of course make your own pastry if you want to, but these work really well. So once everything's blitzed together, all you have to do is simply pour it into the pastry case. Make sure the pie is filled all the way to the top. Once the pies are filled, all that's left to do is to put them in the oven. When the pies are golden on top and slightly wobbly in the centre, they're ready. Take them out, let them cool for about an hour, and then you're ready to dig in. So that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Halloween. Don't go scaring old people, and I'll see you on the next video.